Hello everyone, my name is Allison Daly and today I will be discussing State Representative Jan Jones's school-based BMI screening proposal. The ongoing problem of healthcare disparity in the United States makes a school-based BMI screening program a great opportunity to address the childhood obesity epidemic. For example, in 2018, 5.5% of children under 19 were uninsured, while only 0.57% of children were not in school. There are, however, potential problems associated with this proposal that, if not acted upon, could widen healthcare disparities and do more harm than good. Problems to be addressed are access to program services such as the BMI referral to a registered dietitian for medical nutrition therapy, and the exclusion of necessary mental health counseling prior to and throughout the screening program. While dietitians provide optimal counseling for obesity prevention and treatment, access to these services for low-income and uninsured families is not feasible, which could leave these students without care. What I recommend is education for parents and students about state and federally funded nutrition assistance programs, such as the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, or SNAP, which helps families create meal plans, establish healthy relationships with food, and provides benefits to help improve access to healthy foods. Expanding Medicaid access to include dietitian services for obese children could also help address this problem. Secondly, a BMI screening program is not ethically sound without addressing all potential causes of obesity, including mental health. There are body image and self-esteem problems, anxiety, depression, and eating disorders which can cause and be caused by obesity, which should be addressed by a school psychologist before and during the screening program. State funding will be necessary to employ enough psychologists in order to meet the National Association of School Psychologists recommendations to have one school psychologist for at least every 500 to 700 students. The estimated salary for a school psychologist is $77,430. School psychologists can screen for these mental health disorders and help identify mental health related causes of obesity, while helping to modify potential risk behaviors throughout the program and notifying parents so that they can get proper follow-up if necessary. I believe that these are the next steps that need to be taken to ensure a safe and effective BMI screening program. Thank you for listening.